guys. So a bit of a nothing day in stocks. As we can see, all the major stock markets around the globe closed pretty much unchanged on the day, having pretty much there's the S&P spent the Asian and the European session being bid up, and then as soon as the US opened, it got sold off, so back to unchanged. As we can see there on the Nasdaq, also unchanged. Aussie up smalls, but closing in the middle of the day. FTSE managed to put some gains in. The DAX pretty much unchanged. China down a little. Nikkei unchanged. Euro stocks up a little, but closing in the middle of the day. And VIX also a lower high, but sort of closing in the middle of nowhere. So stocks, not much. So with the currency markets, what we're seeing is because of the strong commodity markets overnight, well, it's not super strong, but kind of the major moves, we're seeing the commodity currencies like the Aussie, the Canadian and the Kiwi all outperforming, whilst the non-commodity currencies are not, and they're just treading water, such as the euro, the pound and the yen, and the dollar index sort of finishing in the middle of the day without much direction. And that will kind of be the theme for the next couple of sessions until we get that US inflation number. So my suggestion is, if you're wanting to look for trades, you go into the currencies and you trade, looking at something like the euro versus the Aussie, selling the euro and buying the Aussie, so you've got that divergence in the currency strength, or selling something like the pound against either the Aussie or the yen, so you've got that divergence. Commodities, bonds, just peeling off all day as we walk our way into inflation. Again, it's a bit of a sell-off, but it was all throughout the day for US bonds. In terms of commodities, we've got iron ore up a little bit, we've got West Texas crude up a little bit, gold up a little bit, and our other commodities, coal off, natural gas off, commodity index not doing much at all. Coming over here into some more commodities, particularly copper, we're looking at managing to put some gains in, and then our softs, bit of a mixed bag. So market's sort of just treading water as we wait for that inflation number midweek from the US.